Throwing away a ripped bumper is a thing of the past, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate how you can easily repair a ripped bumper using the Astro Cordless Hot Stapler. So the kit comes with an assortment of staples. Some can be used for straight welding, some for internal corners as well as external corners. So as you will see in this demonstration, it is pretty simple, straightforward and easy to use, and it gives you a good structural repair. So here is a demonstration of how you can easily use this hot welding stapler to create a business for yourself or to repair your own torn bumpers at home.